Hey there YouTube. Today we're going to be demonstrating a bowline knot, also known as a bowline knot. I've heard it referred to both ways. Personally, I've always called it a bowline, but I'll let you decide. This knot is used whenever you want to create a loop that's not going to close on itself. So if you have to, say, throw a line out to somebody in the water, or if you're rappelling down a mountain, or take your pick. When I was in the Scouts, we built a soapbox car, and we had no hill to roll it down, so we put 2 ropes on the end of it, tied 2 bowlines, and had 2 guys pull it while the 3rd guy drove it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So to create your bowline, the first thing you're going to do is take a bite and roll it on itself. So you're going to turn your hand like so, grab the rope, turn it forward. Now you're going to take your end, and we're going to call this our rabbit. And the way the rhyme goes is the rabbit runs out of the hole, around the tree, which is your standing line, and back down the hole. When you pull this tight, you have your bowline. See? That loop's not getting any smaller no matter what I do. The other nice thing about this is, while it's not super easy to get out, it is easier than most. So I've used this to hang up my hammock before, and even after laying in it, I was still able to undo the bowline with relatively little issue. So one more time, take your line, make a turn, rabbit runs out of the hole, around the tree, and back down the hole. Just like so. If you found this video helpful or informative, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember that knowledge is the only thing that can't be taken from you. See you in the next one. Bye.